Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. I have received several requests for acupressure for IBS or irritable bowel syndrome. I'm going to show you the ones on your hands that you can access easily in a pinch. When you have an acute abdominal pain, stimulate these for 1 minute. The first one is the area along the lifeline of your palm on the thumb side. This area is referred to as stomach, spleen, and large intestine area. Stimulate this area with a hook thumb or index joint. The next one is on your index finger next to the nail base on the thumb side. This is called large intestine 1 or LI1. Stimulate this point with the tip of your thumb, or if you can't remember which side of the nail base, simply pinch the nail base of the index finger on both sides. This makes it easy to remember. I will include the links for the acupressure points specific to diarrhea and constipation. My understanding is that IBS is often caused by stress, and for stress, I recommend meditation. I have practiced meditation on a regular basis for over 2 years now, and it has helped me a lot. So as you stimulate these points, why not combine with a little meditation by taking a deep breath and just focusing on breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. I know it's easier said than done when your mind is super busy, but it doesn't hurt and it's worth a try. Also, if you're too stressed out, a good point to relax is also on your palm. Make a loose fist and it's where the middle finger touches the palm. This is called Pericardium 8 or P8. Press this point with a hook thumb or index finger joint as you breathe deeply. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.